Okay, Paws. Sushi. This was a kitten toy that you liked before you had many other toys. Sushi. I mean, he knows the big ones are here. He's only interested in the heavy. Oh, the sushi. All right, Paws. Fetch. Where'd he go? Go get it. Go get your sushi, Paws. See, that's not a fetch toy. Ping pong ball, right? Makes a noise, that's why we like it. Right? Fetch. I mean, he's not gonna fetch that one because he can't get it in his mouth. Yeah. This is a new toy for my friends. Alright.
Wanna play fetch?
Fetch the toy. Fetch.
Oh!
Bring it back to the fetch. He never brings it all the way to me, but he brings it back on the surface. Alright, and fetch. Fetch.
You got this, good boy.
Paws, bring me your toy. When he's preoccupied with a toy, you can get. Well, sometimes he doesn't catch it. Just hitting at it.
Come on!
Paws,
Come here!
fetch!
Come here!
Bring it to me, Paws. Mousy is his favorite toy. He had 3 of them. One of them is lost, and the other 2 go missing a lot, but we always find them again. Paws, where's the mousy? Fetch. Are you ready? Fetch. Good boy. First toy I taught him to fetch with, which is an orange kitty, which you may remember from the previous video.
No, it's your favorite.
And if you give him that, then you can get more belly pets. Alright, fetch. There's no trouble grabbing this one and bringing it to me for throws. Good pounce. Okay, fetch. Too many distractions. Now Paws, where's Orange Kitty? Paws learns to guard his rear. Orange Kitty. Okay, ready? Fetch.